right here you can see there's a little hole right there. We're going to stick this little thing in there, and we have it up like this. So we're supposed to turn it. We're going to stick this little thing, oops, sorry. Stick that in the hole. If I can reach it. Okay, good. Oh! This is not, she had a lot of trouble too, the dentist lady. Okay, so we're trying to get this in here. Yay! Okay, got it in. So you put the little metal thing in the hole, and then you gotta turn it. Till, she says, till it clicks. How am I supposed to do that without gagging you? There we go. And now as you can see...
It hurts.
I know, I'm sorry. As you can see, the hole is right back where it was. So I took the little... There it is. I took the little thing and I turned it to the back of her mouth until it clicked. Then I removed it without pulling it back toward me. You want to leave it back there. So you turn it back and then you carefully pull this little thing out without making the hole turn back around. It's like it's got holes on two sides. So it goes shoo, and you see the new hole. The second one. Am I making any sense? Alright, if you have any questions, just call. This is supposed to be done twice a week. So you can go Tuesday, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday. It cannot be 2 days in a row. Please do not do that to her. She'll be in a lot of pain. Or it can be Monday, Thursday. I think Monday, Thursday would be a good gap.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Thumbs up.